Design of CMOS amplifier is step-by-step approach presented by Varsha Verma. Why CMOS amplifier? Used in almost all integrated circuits, low power consumption, high input impedance, easy to integrate on a single chip, widely used in op-amps, audio, ICS, sensor circuits. BJTVS CMOS amplifier parameter. BJT amplifier CMOS amplifier power consumption high, low input impedance, low very high IC compatibility, poor excellent technology used, current controlled, voltage controlled. Types of CMOS amplifiers: common source CS amplifier, common drain source follower, common gate amplifier. Common source amplifier. Why common source? Provides high voltage gain, most widely used CMOS amplifier, easy to design and analyze. Basic circuit diagram. Main components: NMOS transistor, drain resistor RD, power supply VDD, input signal VIN, output voltage VOUT. Working principle: input signal is applied at the gate voltage controls drain current. Change in drain current creates voltage variation at the drain. Output voltage is taken from the drain terminal. Output as inverted with respect to input. Voltage gain: CMOS amplifier provides voltage gain due to transconductance. Voltage gain AV is approximately AV GM guna RD, where GM equals transconductance, RD equals drain resistance. Sign indicates phase. Design considerations: choose proper VDD, ensure MOSFET operates in saturation, select RD for desired gain, avoid distortion by correct biasing. Simulation results: input small amplitude sine wave, output amplified inverted signal, gain verified through simulation. Applications: operational amplifiers, audio amplifier, ICS, sensor signal conditioning, analog IC design, communication circuits. Common mistakes: incorrect bias voltage, MOSFET not in saturation region, expecting BJT-like behavior, improper resistor selection. Advantages: low power consumption, high input impedance, suitable for VLSI circuits, compact and efficient design. Conclusion: CMOS amplifier is essential in modern electronics. Common source configuration offers high gain, proper design ensures stable and efficient performance. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Questions? Comment below.